Dear students, Sat Shri Akal. In today's video, we are presenting a video of class 6 subject computer science term 2 syllabus revision. In this video, we have revised lesson 1 to lesson 8 by answering the question of 1 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks according to the syllabus. So let us now have a look at the computer science subject paper pattern. As you can see in this table, 50 marks are distributed according to paper pattern in this table. First of all, we look at the total marks column in which the marks are distributed from lesson 1 to lesson 8. According to this pattern, a paper of 8 marks will come from lesson 1, Introduction to Computer. Similarly, a paper of 7 marks will come from lesson number 2, that is component of computer, and so on. Similarly, if we talk about 1 marks question, so there are 25 questions of 1 marks will come from all the lesson mentioned here. Similarly, 3 marks questions will come from all the other lesson except lesson 1, lesson 5 and lesson 6. So similarly, question carrying 5 marks each will come from lesson 1 and lesson 6. So now we start revising the question answer of all these lessons. So let's get started. So we will now learn about multiple choice question which is of 1 mark. So first question is, computer is a or an dash and their option are electronic machine, mechanical machine, magnetic machine or all of the above, and the right answer is computer is a or an electronic machine. Second one is, computer can do dash and their option are calculation, accept data and instruction, storage, and the last one is all of the above, and the right answer is computer can do all of the above things. And third one is, computer perform its operation with high dash and their option are speed, accuracy, quality, and the last one is all of the above, and the right answer is computer perform its operation with high all of the above. And the fourth question is, in bank, computer is used for dash and their option are keeping the bank safe, keeping account records, keeping bank clean, and the last one is none of these, and the right answer is in bank computer is used for keeping account record. And the fifth one is, time taken by computer to do a work can be measured in dash and their option are minute, hour, millisecond, and the last one is days, and the right answer is time taken by computer to do a work can be measured in millisecond. And the sixth one is, in education, a computer is used for dash and their option are preparing notes, preparing a result, preparing report, and the last one is all of these, and the right answer is in education a computer is used for all of these. And the seventh one is, which one of these is a limitation of computer, and the option are speed, accuracy, no IQ, and the last one is diligence, and the right answer is no IQ is a limitation of a computer. And the eighth one is, which part of computer system accept input from the user, and their option are input unit, output unit, control unit, and the last one is none of these, and the right answer is input unit part of computer system accept input from the user. And the ninth one is, which is a part of CPU, and their option are control unit, memory unit, ALU, and the last one is all of these, and the right answer is all of these is a part of CPU. And the 10th one is, which memory stores permanent data in computer system, and their option are primary memory, RAM, secondary memory, or all of these, and the right answer is secondary memory store permanent data in a computer system. And the 11th one is, which is a most powerful type of computer, and their option are mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputer, and the last one is supercomputer. And the right answer is supercomputer is a most powerful type of computer. And the 12th one is which part of computer system gives result as an output to the user. And their option are memory, input unit, control unit, output unit. And the right answer is output unit. Part of computer system gives result as an output to the user. And the 13th one is screen appeared after login of computer is called dash, and their option are start menu, desktop, taskbar, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is screen appeared after the login screen of computer is called desktop. And the 14th one is all the deleted files go to dash, and their option are my computer, network, recycle bin, and the last one is all of above. And the right answer is all the deleted files go to the recycle bin. And the 15th one is which part of window remain visible all the time when we use other applications, and their options are recycle bin, desktop, taskbar, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is taskbar of window remains visible all the time when we use other applications. And the 16th one is which one is an example of operating system, and their option are Windows, Android, DOS, and the last one is all of these. So the right answer is all of these is an example of operating system. And the 17th one is to open a file we can double click on, and their option are file itself. Second one is shortcut of file, both A and B, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is to open a file we can double click on both A and B. And the 18th one is the dash bar is present at the top of the paint window, and their option are title bar, status bar, scroll bar, and the last one is taskbar. And the right answer is the title bar is present at the top of the paint window. And the 19th one is dash toolbar present in the title bar by default. Its position can be changed either to below or above the ribbon. And their option are quick access bar, status bar, scroll bar, and the last one is all of these. And the right answer is quick access bar toolbar present in the title bar by default. Its position can be changed either to below or above the ribbon. And the 20th one is the first on the left of the menu bar is the dash button, and their option are paint, help, close, and the last one is minimize. The first on the left of the menu bar is the paint button. And the 21st one is scroll bar is used to move the screen. It is of dash types, and their options are 2, 3, 4, and the last one is 5. And the right answer is scroll bar is used to move the screen. It is of 2 types. And 22nd one is with the help of dash option we can save a copy of picture with another, and their options are save as, open, new, and last one is exit. And the right answer is with the help of save as option we can save a copy of picture with another. And 22nd one is the clipboard menu has 3 options: cut, copy, and dash, and their options are paste, move, close, and the last one is zoom. And the right answer is the clipboard menu has 3 options: cut, copy, and paste. And 23rd one is the top button, a diamond shape with a line through it is dash, and their options are paste, cut, copy, and the last one is crop. And the right answer is the top button, a diamond shape with a line through it is called crop button. And the 24th one is the dash tool can be used to draw pentagon, and their options are triangle, rectangle, pentagon, and the last one is hexagon. And the right answer is the pentagon tool can be used to draw pentagon. And 25th one is the eraser tool erases the part of a picture with the dash button of the mouse, and the options are left, right, scroll, or none of the above. And the right answer is the eraser tool erases the part of a picture with the left button of the mouse. And 26th one is color 2 is used if we press with the dash button of the mouse pressed, and their options are left, right, scroll, or none of the above. And the right answer is color 2 is used if we press with the right button of the mouse pressed. And 27th one is computer is a combination of hardware and dash, and their options are software, application, processor, or all of these. And the right answer is computer is a combination of hardware and software. And 28th one is set of instructions is called dash, and their options are software, hardware, program, and the last one is application. And the right answer is set of instructions is called program. And 29th one is group of program is called dash, and their options are hardware, software, processor, or none of these. And the right answer is group of program is called software. And 30th one is software is of dash types, and their options are 2, 3, 4, and the last one is 5. And the right answer is software is of 2 types. 31st one is computer cannot work without dash, and their options are Word, Excel, operating system, and the last one is PowerPoint. And the right answer is computer cannot work without operating system. And 32nd one is dash is used to click photos in computer, and their options are headphone, web camera, speaker, or none of these. And the right answer is web camera is used to click photos in computer. And 33rd one is barcode reader consists of dash, and their options are sensor, light, heat, and the last one is magnetic. And the right answer is barcode reader consists of sensor. And 34th one is dash is a pointing device, and their options are headphone, keyboard, mouse, and the last one is web camera. And the right answer is mouse is a pointing device. And the 34th one is dash is used to add text and picture in computer, and their options are printer, scanner, speaker, and the last one is mouse. And the right answer is scanner is used to add text and pictures in computer. And 35th one is dash keys are used to move cursor in all direction, and their options are arrows, special, function, and the last one is numeric. And the right answer is arrow keys are used to move cursor in all directions. And 36th one is monitor is soft and dash is hard copy output device, and their options are printer, plotter, both of these, or none of these. And the right answer is monitor is soft and printer is hard copy output device. 37th one is dash is used to listen sound of computer, and their options are printer, speaker, microphone, and the last one is mouse. And the right answer is speaker is used to listen sound of computer. And 38th one is dash prints output on paper, and their options are printer, keyboard, mouse, and the last one is speaker. And the right answer is printer prints output on paper. And 39th one is dash printer prints by joining dots, and their options are dot matrix, inkjet, laser, or none of these. And the right answer is dot matrix printer prints by joining dots. And 40th one is monitors are of dash types, and their options are 2, 3, 4, and the last one is 5. And the right answer is monitors are of 2 types. And 41 question is headphones are also called dash, and their options are phone, earphone, both of these, or none of these. And the right answer is headphones are also called earphone. So now we will learn about very short answer type question, which is also 1 marks. So our first question is which tool is used to draw a square? So the right answer is rectangle is used to draw a square. The second one is which tool can be used to erase a part of picture? And the right answer is crop tool can be used to erase a part of picture. And third one is which tool allows us for zoom in out picture? And the right answer is zoom tool allows us for zoom in and zoom out of a picture. And the fourth one is which tool is used to freehand writing? And the right answer is pencil tool is used to freehand writing. So fifth question is what tool can we use to write text in our drawing? And the right answer is text tool. Sixth one is which part of CPU connect the other part like processor, hard disk, RAM, etc. And the right answer is motherboard. Seventh one is what we call a set of instructions given to a computer. And the right answer is called program. And the eighth one is which part of computer cannot be touched but felt. And the right answer is software. Ninth one is what are two types of software? And the answer are system software and application software. And 10th one is which type of software are expensive? And the right answer is system software. 11th one is which device is used to capture pictures in computer? And the right answer is web camera. 12th one is which part of paint window is used to move screen? And the right answer is scroll bar. 13th one is how many function keys are there on a keyboard? And the right answer is 12. 14th one is which device is used to control video games? And the right answer is joystick. 15th one is which keys are used to move cursor? And the right answer is arrow keys. So now we will learn about shortcut keys for the following, which is also 1 marks. And the first one is to create a new file, Control plus N shortcut key can be used. Second one is to open an existing file, their shortcut key is Control plus O. Third one is to save a file, the shortcut key is Control plus S. To print a file, and their shortcut key is Control plus P. And fifth one is for undoing the wrong operation, the shortcut key is Control plus Z. And to redo or repeat the action, the shortcut key Control plus Y is used. So now we will learn about full forms, which is also 1 mark. So first one is ALU. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. Second one is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Third one is LCD. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. Fourth one is RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. Fifth one is ROM. ROM stands for Read-Only Memory. Sixth one is CU. CU stands for Control Unit. Seventh one is MU. MU stands for Memory Unit. Eighth one is IPO. IPO stands for Input Processing Output. So now we will learn about short answer type question, which is of 3 marks. So first question is write the name of part of CPU, and their right answer is the central processing unit of a computer system is divided into 3 sections. The first one is memory unit, second one is control unit, and third one is arithmetic and logic unit. And the second question is what are the types of memories? So there are 2 types of computer memory. The first one is primary memory and the second one is secondary memory. And the third one is what are the secondary storage devices? And their answer is secondary storage devices store all the data that is not currently in the computer primary storage or main memory. It is the memory of a computer system that does not allow CPU to have direct access. It is used to store data for a long time, and the data stored in it is not lost even in case of power failure. It is also called non-volatile memory. It's not too expensive. It has high storage capacity. It can be easily moved from one place to another. And the fourth one is what is the function of ALU? This unit does arithmetic and logical work. ALU is also called the building block of the central processing unit of a computer system because this block follows instructions. In a digital computer, most of the work is done logically and involves a lot of calculation to be processed. This part of the computer system is built inside the microprocessor. And the fifth one is what is microcomputer? So these computers were so small that they could easily be placed on a desk. They are also called computer on a chip. These computers do about 1 million calculations per second. These computers are used in small offices, schools, small businesses, and other work areas. And the sixth one is, what are the different categories of computer? And their answer is, there are four types of computer based on speed, memory, processing capacity, and storage capacity. The first one is microcomputer, second one is mini computer, the third one is mainframe computer, and the fourth one is supercomputer. And the seventh question is, write the name of any three window applications. So the name of the three window applications are as follows. The first one is Notepad, second one is WordPad, third one is Paint, and fourth one is Calculator. And the eighth one is, write the name of any three icons. The name of three icons are as follow. The first one is My Computer, second one is Network, third one is Recycle Bin, fourth one is User Files. And the ninth question is, write the name of component of a desktop. And the right answer is, the name of component of a desktop are, the first one is icon, second one is shortcut, third one is wallpaper, fourth one is taskbar. And the 10th question is, what is desktop? The first screen that appears after the login process is completed is called the desktop, also called the basic controller of the computer. With the help of desktop screen, any application or program can be run, or any other need can be done. 11th question is, what is Paint? And the right answer is, Microsoft Paint is a drawing tool used for drawing pictures. A file created in Paint is also called a bitmap file. The extension of the file saved in Paint is .bmp. And the 12th question is, how to start MS Paint? And their right answer is, the steps to get started with the MS Paint are as follow. The first one is, click the Start button, click on All Program, click on the Accessory option, then click on the Paint option. And the 13th one is, write the name of the part of window of Paint. And their answer is, the Paint window has several sections. The name of the main component are as follows. The first one is title bar, second one is quick access toolbar, third one is tabs and ribbon, fourth one is scroll bar, fifth one is work area or drawing area, sixth one is status bar, seventh one is zoom slider. And the 14th question is, what is work area? The work area is also called the drawing area. This is the space between the paint that is used to make the pictures. In other words, work area are places where beautiful and attractive drawing can be made. And the 15th question is, explain the use of save command. Using the save command, we can save a picture or painting made in MS Paint. To save an image created in MS Paint, use the save option from the file menu, or the Ctrl+S shortcut key can be used. And the 16th question is, what are the types of scroll bar? The scroll bar is used to slide the screen. So there are two types. The first one is horizontal scroll bar, and second one is vertical scroll bar. And the 17th question is, define input devices. An input device is a hardware device used to input data, instruction, and information into a computer. If the CPU is the brain of the computer, then the input devices are the computer eyes and ears, which transmit information to it. And the 18th question is, write the name of any 6 input devices. So some of the common input devices are given below. The first one is keyboard, second one is joystick, third one is mouse, fourth one is web camera, sixth one is mic, sixth one is light pen, seventh one is scanner, eighth one is barcode reader. And the 19th question is, write short note on joystick. The joystick is an input device. The joystick has a base and a stick which can be rotated in any direction. Due to its flexible movement, it has more control than the keyboard. It has a lever which rotates in every direction and control the direction of the pointer. The joystick is used to play video games. The play stick has more than one button called push button. And the 20th question is, what are output devices? An output device is a computer hardware device that is used to present the result generated after the data processing as hard copy or soft copy. The result displayed on the monitor is called soft copy, and the result printed on paper by the printer is called hard copy. So these devices convert electronic information into human readable information. And the 21st question is, what are speakers? A speaker is an output device that receives input audio from a sound card in a computer and transmit the audio output in the form of sound wave. Speakers are used to listen to sound from a computer or mobile phone. Speakers are available in many shapes and size. And the 22nd question is, where are projectors used? A projector is an output device that displays any type of image or video from a computer on a white screen or wall or anything else. Projectors are used to play e-content in offices, cinemas, colleges, and schools. Presentation through any image or video is used to convey and explain its meaning to each participant. And the 23rd question is, what are the types of printer? So there are three types of printer. The first one is dot matrix printer, second one is inkjet printer, and the third one is laser printer. The 24th question is, write a short note on printer. A printer is a hard copy output device used to print data and information from a computer on a piece of paper. They can print black and white as well as color documents. Printer speed is measured in character per second, lines per minute, and pages per minute, and printer qualities is measured in dots per inch. And 25th question is, write the name of any three output device. So each output device has its own specific function, and some of the most common used output devices are, first one is monitor, second one is speaker, third one is headphones, fourth one is printer, fifth one is plotter, and sixth one is projector. So now we will learn about long answer type question, which is also of 5 marks. And the first question is, what are the characteristics of computer? So every feature of computer motivate us to use computer, which is as under. The first one is speed. The main reason for using computer is the speed of computer. It also completes complex calculation in a very small fraction of a second. The speed of computer is measured in thousand of a second, known as millisecond. Second one is accuracy. Accuracy is also an important feature of a computer. The accuracy of a computer generated result demonstrates its accuracy. And the third one is reliability. Assuring 100% accuracy of the computer generated result, and we do not need to re-evaluate this result demonstrate its reliability. And fourth one is tireless. So computer perform first and last calculation with the same accuracy and speed. The computer does not get tired like a human being while working. As long as the computer works, it gives us accurate and precise result. Fifth one is automation. No assistance is required while processing the computer. Once the instructions are given, it automatically works till the end and finally provide the result to the user. Sixth one is storage. The storage capacity of the computer is very high. Each computer is equipped with a hard disk device capable of storing all type of data. In it, we can store text, sound, videos, program, animation, etc. as data. And second question is, define any 5 application of computers. So area of use of computer means all the area in which computer is used, which are as under. The first one is learning. In the field of education, computer is used by students for making notes, drawing, creating project, reading through e-content, etc. And computer is also used by teacher to create result, timetable, and also used for making report card, etc. Second one is entertainment. Computer is a great means of entertainment. We can listen to song on the computer, watch movies, play games, enjoy unrealistic 3D effect, create new story and funny scenes in the form of cartoons. This field of multimedia plays an important role in learning method through playing. Third one is sports. Computer is used to enhance the efficiency of the player in the field of sports. The player's daily record is stored to continue to improve the player's skills. Field game can be played in a closed room using an unrealistic 3D station. And the fourth one is hospital. In the hospital, the patient record is kept in the computer. With this, the health care of the patient can be done easily. It is easy to keep track of the patient medication and the effect of each medication on the patient health. Computer are also used to perform complex tests in the laboratory. And the fifth one is bank. A bank is a place where most of the activities in a bank are related to depositing and withdrawing money from the account. All of this work is related to data processing and requires a computer to perform such processing properly. This makes managing all accounts very easily and efficiently. And the third one is, what are the limitations of computer? A computer is capable of doing many things, but it is unable to do many things as its own because it is a machine. Such tasks are called the limitation of the computer, which are as follows. The first one is, a computer cannot make any decision on its own. The computer cannot correct any wrong instructions. No one can do any work without the instruction of the computer user. The computer does not have emotions and understandings. Like a human being, he has no knowledge and no experience. And the fourth one is, what do you mean by portable computing devices? Explain any three of them. So all the devices that process data and can be easily moved from one place to another are called portable computing devices, which are as under. The first one is smartphone. Smartphone is a portable device which is used to make calls and process data digitally. Smartphone give us cameras and more data storage. Smartphones are used for education, business, entertainment, and games purpose. Second one is tablet computer. Tablet computer is a thin and portable computer. It is powered with battery and has a touch screen which helps it to be used. In tablet, we can write without keyboard. And the third one is palm top computer. Palm top computer is a computer which can be easily operated by placing it on the palm. This type of computer has a small screen and a keyboard. It is not very popular due to its limited uses. The fifth question is, explain the uses of computer. So computers are used for the following tasks. The first one is, computers are used to perform mathematical calculation. Second one is, we can also play games using computer. Third one is, using a computer, we can draw something in our computer. Fourth one is, using a computer, we can listen to music and watch movies. Fifth one is, you can use computer to make and print books and newspapers. And the sixth one is, we can reserve train, bus and plane ticket with the help of computer. Seventh one is, with the help of computer, we can see the schedule of train, buses and planes. Eighth one is, with the help of computer, we can find out the weather information of any place before going there. And the ninth one is, with the help of computer, we can prepare student result, timetable and report, etc. And 10th one is, we can also save important data in the computer for future reference. And the sixth one is, write the difference between application software and system software. The difference between application software and system software are, so the first point is, system software are very essential part of a computer, whereas the application software are non-essential part of the computer. Second one is, system software are very complex, whereas application software are very simple to use. Third one is system software are very expensive, whereas application software are very cheap. And the fourth one is system software are made by experts only, whereas application software can be made a person with having less experience. And the fifth one is without system software the computer cannot function, whereas without application software a computer can work. And sixth one is the example of system software are operating system, whereas the application software examples are MS Paint, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, games, etc. And the seventh one is write a short note on hardware. The physical component or part of a computer are called hardware. For example, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, etc. We can touch and feel these parts, and these parts also occupy space. A computer system is made up by the interconnection of these physical components. Hardware alone cannot do anything. The hardware needs instructions to work. The key feature of hardware are, the first one is we can touch the hardware, we can feel the hardware takes up space, data is stored and processed in hardware. I hope you have well practiced the 1 mark, 3 marks and 5 mark question answer from lesson 1 to lesson 8 in this video so far. I hope you will get 50 out of 50 marks in this exam. Thank you.